These are my homemade cherry scones. So these are the ingredients. 450 gram self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 100 gram of butter. And I'm going to mix it with my hand. 285 ml milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and glazed cherries. I'm going to turn on the oven to 200 degrees. And I'm going to use this cutter to cut into circles. And I'm going to glaze them with egg. And I'm going to bake these scones for 10 to 12 minutes. So these are my homemade cherry scones. And serve it with strawberry jam and clotted cream.